Ooh, that girl is stepping.
That throwing you off?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really dry.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all, so as you see by the title, we have another Aliexpress video. Your girl is in a different setup. It's my first time filming like a sit down video in my dorm. I feel so loud. I feel like people can hear me in the next room. So yep, definitely be sure to check out all my other content. I've been doing a lot of college vlogs and stuff like that, so definitely check that out. But I know you guys really like Aliexpress videos, so here I am with another one. If you don't know what Aliexpress is, it is a wholesale Asian vendor marketplace. You have a whole bunch of different clothes, shoes, hair, bracelets, anything you could think of is on Aliexpress. So I am going to be showing you though are the exact vendors and exact things that I purchased. So the links in the description box will be the exact vendors that I go from, because there are a bunch of different vendors selling the same thing, but the quality is different. But if you look on the video and you see what you like, definitely click in the description box, because I have all the links there with the same exact quality. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, here be that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, head over to my channel, click that subscribe, like all those buttons. It helps me so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram, TikTok. I don't really use Snapchat, but it is in my description box if you guys want to head over there as well. But not going to ramble on too long. Let's just get right into this video, girls. Now a word from our sponsors, and our sponsor for today is of course Dossier. You guys know I work with Dossier all the time. I absolutely love Dossier. If you don't know what Dossier is, it is a luxury perfume brand, but they have really affordable prices. So if you love perfume, or if you're just getting into perfume, Dossier is your #1 spot that you need to go, especially if you're balling on a budget. I'm a college student, so you know that's how we rock over here. But Dossier is going to hook you up. You know, school just started, you looking good, you got your hair done, got your nails done, eyelashes, clothes, everything's on fleek. The one thing you may be forgetting though is a good scent. Like, you don't want to smell no type of way walking into school, walking down the halls, and having on just a really nice perfume can just make the biggest impression on somebody. So I definitely suggest you guys visit Dossier. The scent that I have today is the floral pink pepper. I'll put what this is like a dupe of on the screen. They mimic a lot of the really expensive perfumes like YSL, Dior, Baccarat, like all of those type of perfumes. They have them for $39.99, $29.99, $49.99. like, you can get them at a really discounted price, and it smells like the exact same thing. I just love how the bottle looks. It is so sleek. I love the magnetic closure that it has for the cap, like, and it comes with a whole bunch. And these are perfumes. These are not what you're gonna get from like Bath and Body Works, like a body mist. No, this is an actual perfume. It lasts so long. It is just so amazing, and I think this is an essential for back to school. It is essential for any type of day. Having on a good scent is the #1 thing for me, okay? And that's why I always use Dossier. Like, literally all my perfumes are from Dossier. Love them. I should show you guys my whole collection. Let me actually show you guys my collection. Here are just a couple. I still have some. I have like 3 to 4 more over there, but I just want to show you guys. This is not like, girl, do you even use this? No. Child, I use this, okay? I have so many bottles and I smell like a new girl every day on a budget. Another amazing thing about Dossier is that if you do not like the scent, you can return it up to 30 days, free returns. So that is amazing. I know if you're like new and you don't really know anything about perfumes or anything, so you're just looking online and you're ordering stuff online, you don't really know what the notes mean or how it's going to mix with your skin, you can also definitely, if you get it, you receive it and you don't like it, you can just send it back. They also send you these little travel size testers, so don't use the big one if you're just trying it out on yourself and you don't know if you really like it. Use the little one so you can test it out, smell it, make sure you like it, and then once you like it, then you start using the big one. And you can just put this one in your purse if you're traveling, you know, if you want to just spritz, you might have forgot it at home, then you can use it on the go. But I absolutely love Dossier. I will have my discount code on the screen and of course down in the description box. Please do go check them out. They love me and I love them, so I want you guys to smell good just like your girl. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna be showing y'all is actually a workout set. I know I've been featuring these so much in my Aliexpress videos, but I promise this is the last video you're gonna see with these workout sets. I promise. I just kind of went ham one day and I was like, oh, I need this for school, I need this for school, I need this for school, and I just bought so many of them, and they've been in like literally the past 5 Aliexpress videos, but I do have some more today. But here are these shorts. These are just like a little short set, and it's literally about to get cold here, so I have to wear these now, and I'm going to wear them like once and I have to send them back home because it's going to get cold. I'm going to need leggings. But here are these shorts. They have really good tummy control. It's made of that like seamless material, but it fits me so good. Like I said, this has like a little ribbed material on it, and it's very much compression, so it's going to suck the gut in. That's what we need over here. And these are how long they are or whatever. Of course, you're going to see in the try on haul. I really do like these though. The material's good. They're squat proof, super thick. I don't know if they will ride up though. So I know the past ones that I've been working out recently, and I've been wearing the athletic wear that I showed you guys before, and they have been like riding up the booty a little bit. So they're not see-through, so that's good. But the other problem is if I'm running, they're rising up. Then here is the bra for this set. They do have removable padding in there. This is size medium. I just really like the color. It's like a mauve, like brownish, but also like a really deep purple. It's in a medium. Fits really nice. The bra is not too big, but it's also not too tight, so it fits me really good. The material is the same as the shorts, and it just feels really good quality. So if you're in the mood, or if you're looking for good activewear, definitely check down in the description box because I've put out a lot of good activewear to show you guys. Okay, moving on, I have a basic, and it's just these brown leggings. They're just these cotton leggings. They do have a little bit of fleece in them. They do come with a tag. I have not worn any of this stuff yet. I actually just put it in like a little Ziploc bag to ship to here because I knew I didn't have time to film this video at home, so I haven't worn any of this. It's just been like at the top of my closet, like, you need to film an Aliexpress video, girl. So I'm finally getting around to it. But yes, I thought I left these at home though. I'm definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of these. I had a matching pair of gray leggings in one of my other Aliexpress videos, so they just look exactly like this, and I've been wearing them to death. So yeah, these are definitely going to get used, and it's brown, and I have a lot of like neutral color stuff, so I really like this. They're so comfortable. I think I got these ones in a size small. I don't know, but I'll have it on the screen. I think I got these in a size small and the other ones in a medium, so these are going to fit even better because the medium ones are a little bit too big. All right, moving on, I have some jewelry to show you guys, and this is what the jewelry looks like. It is just this kind of oil paint color, but it also is like this geometric shape to it. Really abstract, really cute. I love how it's like clear, so you can wear with a bunch of different things, and I just really like them. They're very different. I haven't really seen anyone with that style or wearing those types of earrings, so I definitely picked them up. You know, I love me some different pieces, so yeah, that is so cute. I definitely recommend that. I feel like that's a little staple. People are like, oh, your earrings are so cute. Like, yeah, they are, right? All right, moving on, I have another track set or to be set workout set, and this one is black. This one does have sleeves on it though. They're not fully sleeved, but it's not like the bralette type. It's just a little crop top, super cute. Like, I have a pink one just like this, but this one is in like a black color. Again, material is really good. It's really stretchy, and it compresses your body. Like in the gym, I don't actually wear bras with these. Like, that's how good it compresses you. I mean, of course, if you have like really big chest, or you just don't like doing that, of course you can wear a bra with it, but for me, like, it's kind of tight on my shoulders and stuff, so it's just a lot easier for me not to wear a bra with it, and it still supports me enough that I don't feel like uncomfortable or something. Then here are the matching shorts to this. This even has a better like tension on the stomach. Like, it's so hard for me to stretch this, which is good because it's going to snatch your girl up. But yeah, they look just like the other shorts, honestly. Same type of length, but you'll see like the length and stuff on me on the try on haul. Okay, so the final thing in this haul are a pair of earrings, and these are what they look like. They are literally so beautiful. It is just these gold and blue earrings. They are so elegant. I feel like they're so different, and they're just like these rope kind of detailing, and it goes all the way around. Like it's not like that kind of half circle, it actually goes all around. Please do not mind my nails, I need to go get them done. But yeah, I just really love them. They're so intricate, and I feel like they're another like staple piece, especially because I have a lot of blue shoes that are this color blue. Well, not a lot, I have like 2 pair of shoes that are this color blue. You see I have this like kind of color blue on right now, so it'll match with my shirt too. But yeah, so absolutely love these. Of course, I'll be having the jewelry pieces for y'all because jewelry and accessories are really big. Before, I really didn't care about jewelry. I would just throw a fit on and call it a day. But now, like adding the jewelry, I definitely can tell that it elevates the look to another extreme. Like, you can throw a basic fit on and put a whole bunch of jewelry, and it's like, ooh, that girl is stepping. But so yeah, that's why I'm kind of getting a lot more into jewelry. I have like my whole little jewelry collection, and these are definitely added to it. I will say they have weight to them as well, so they do not feel like they're gonna break. They're really good quality. Like, yeah, some people be sleeping on Aliexpress, but Aliexpress be coming through with the pieces, okay, the pop-out pieces. But yeah, that was the end of this haul, y'all. I really do hope you enjoy it. Like I said, don't forget to check out my other videos. I know my routine is probably kind of off because I have school, I have track, I have a whole bunch of stuff going on, but of course I want to pop in and show my face. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.